First of all, why this nigga Joe go drive up to Sid car, bro? Jamaris.
Okay.
Why Joe go come to Sid car? He was walking to Sid car and he saw me. That's why Andy started laughing. That's why I said niggas is on Joker time.
Excuse me.
That's why I said niggas is on Joker time. That's why you can suck my dick. These niggas suck my dick. I don't know who the fuck he think he is. Like, why he coming to you talking about me? Why he's talking to Tata?
Oh, he did?
He was probably talking to Tata about me or somebody around us. Or Sid. Like, don't do that shit, Cohen. I'm not even the one to be fucking with. This is why I don't fuck with him now. Fucking dummy. My phone tweaking.
What's his name again? Ryan?
Yeah.
You gotta report bad service.
First guy.
Bad service.
Them niggas is asking why I don't want to go to Mike house. Like, come on, my nigga. I'm got time
Yeah,
for
mad
that
people
shit.
was asking her. I thought she was going to Mike house. I thought she was going to Mike house. I'm like, she said she don't want to go.
Yeah, what the fuck? That's how niggas want to throw shit in my face. I don't need to talk to you. I don't need to talk to you. Throw shit in my face, that's cool. Talking about it is what it is. It is what it is. Don't talk to me. Blocking my house door from now on. Don't come, don't call me.
4 minutes.
This nigga is pissy drunk too. I don't even see this now.
Nigga Shama grabbed the coat like this. I said, don't play with me. Do not play with me. Don't play with me. Excuse me.
That's you tell Shama?
Huh? I said that to Andy. She went, yo, Shorty went like,
do not play with me. Go that way. She pushed him out the
excuse me, let's go.
She was not playing. I'm like,
you know why? You know why? Because Shama was talking to Derica too much about me and him. And Derica told it to Ryan, Ryan told it to me. Sis, if you still want to fuck him, come on, tell me. Stop trying to enter around what me and him is doing. Excuse me. Excuse me. He told me I'm talking to Jazz. All right, talk to Jazz outside. Let's go. Let's go.
Because you know Jazz got a nigga anyways.
Now I said 5 minutes. It's like 4 minutes. It's like Wendy's. 4 minutes.
It's not UB, but the
yeah.
other side.
It's good because your account's about to be done.
Okay, that's cool. You tight for what? That's
Mr.
fine.
Ryan here is upset. He in his car waiting for Uber.
And she wrote. It's quiet.
I don't care. I got my ID. I'm not intoxicated. I'm not intoxicated.
Hi. We order Lyft. We order Lyft.
One person.
And basically, he told me, oh, 5 people can't get in. If we came to somewhere with somebody, we gonna leave with them. So
we came here with 5 people.
We came in a Lyft.
We didn't know
I'm talking. We came in a Lyft with 5 people, so we didn't think there was a problem. He's here giving us a hard time. So we came with other people, and we sent the other 2 to the car. He like,
didn't
oh,
even
but
get
y'all
in the
not
car,
get.
but he
Abby, let
canceled
me
the
talk.
ride.
He canceled the ride. And he's recording us at that. He didn't give me permission. He didn't give us permission to record us.
That's a fact.
But
So now I'm recording him right now because that's not.
Because you didn't give us a permission, and I'm a criminal justice major, so you're not gonna sit here and record me without my permission.
And then
so I said I'm gonna stay in the car,
and she still got charged for the ride.
And I said I'm still gonna stay in the car until the police come, and she still got charged for the ride, and that's not fair.
It don't
matter. They still charge it.
Once the way this app works is once the ride come here and it says arrive, you still get charged.
And it takes an authorization fee.
Yeah.
So before we even got in the car, the other 2 boys did not get in the car.
That's between you and Lyft. That's not between
You gotta understand, 5 people didn't get in the car.
Let me listen, and then I'll listen to you, and then we'll. Okay, so we're just gonna
5 people didn't get in the car. So we said we're going to sit here, sir, because you canceled a ride without our permission. The 5 people didn't get in the car, 3 people did. So we're going to wait for our Uber to come because we just came outside. We can't re-enter the party. You know what I'm saying? So he's basically telling us, get out. He's not taking us. He's barking at us.
Mind you, we still got in charge for this, so I'm confused.
That's okay, but that's civil. That's something I can't do anything about.
Yeah, but he's recording us without our permission,
I
so.
understand that.
So if he could delete
Well,
this video.
listen. Do you understand how often we get recorded?
Mhm.
Every single solitary day, all the time. Do you think we give everybody permission?
No.
Okay, so that's not. I mean, that's not a crime.
Okay.
It's annoying.
No,
So
it's not a
and
crime, but it's still something. He's recording us. It's still, we get put on the internet as African Americans, people who get recorded. We look like animals. But right now, I am waiting. I was going to show you wait 3 minutes. So that's why we still sit in
Should
his
we
car.
get out his car?
We do not want to get out because it's cold outside.
Is that what we
I would
really have to do?
say, yeah. I would say get out of the car. But how long is Uber going to be?
It's
3 minutes.
Okay.
I mean, 7-Eleven.
And she's still getting charged for this
Yeah,
ride, so
that's
I
what
feel
I'm
like we
saying.
should still sitting here.
That's why we
No,
Yes,
but
but I
still
get
get
charged
paid.
the way the Uber app
regardless.
the way the
I have
app
to
works,
ask for the money back. It
Yeah.
takes it regardless.
the way the app works is you still
And it
get
takes an
charged for it.
authorization fee. So I'm
So I
getting
feel like
charged
we should-
$10 and another $12.50.
You'll just have to take that
you'll.
Oh, wait, it's 2 minutes.
Yeah. Now, could we stay here the 2 minutes till our Uber comes? Because
window up, honey, if you're freezing.
I'm not freezing. I just want to sit down. I'm not gonna lie to
And
you.
then in a minute, you can.
Yeah, then that's what we was
And that's
sitting
all
here
we
doing.
needed to do because we can't re-enter their building. We called him. He took 13 minutes.
Understand?
Telling us we
If
can't put 5
could,
people in the
we
car.
would've ran
Only
back into
3
the
entered
building.
the car
We
and they
can't
went in a
ran into
different
that
car.
building.
That's all we did. He's all like, he canceled the ride before we even got like anything's out. Like he just canceled the ride.
He's like,
I just don't want my voice or nothing posted up on Facebook.
We have other things too. You can wait 1 minute.
yeah, I thought you guys reported calls that was necessary. This was not one of them.
If you're not health hostage, that's being a little dramatic.
Aren't you guys supposed to report to calls that are like first priority?
Yeah, we were on a shooting.
Yeah.
Oh, you see, this is not priority.
I mean, I get it, but you gotta understand he's trying to pick up other rides. So you
And we
guys
had
are
to
holding
wait
him up.
13
He
minutes
took
for
13
him.
minutes to come here. First
Yeah, it's
of
really
all.
bad out.
Yeah, so I understood that. But
Yeah.
coming here and then barking at us saying we can't take 5 people after we came here in a Lyft smaller, in a small car with 5
Yeah.
people.
Call him Jamaris.
I mean,
Call him Jamaris.
yeah, but he's
Time
trying to
get-
pick up.
No, that's
taking
cool.
money out of his
He
pocket,
wastes
too.
my money, I will waste his too. Oh, no, yeah.
It's not the way life works.
That's the way my life worked.
Waste my money and my time. I waste yours too.
Okay, he wastes my time.
Oh no, can you delete them videos on his phone?
He had time to delete the video.
Hey, girls.
What you say?
Okay, excuse me. No,
Because
because
he
at the end of the day, we get put on Facebook, we put on everything.
One party, right?
Exactly.
That's the problem here. We got in your car was the first thing you noticed in the first reason why you started acting up.
Before we even hit the car, he said,
I'm sending the video to Lyft.
Send the video to Liz.
I hope
And we're